Good morning of the good evening and also good day to everyone. Well, yeah, Mulin, yeah, Nibulisano, okay. You're still tuned in to the Benning Show with the Omero Babies. I'm your host, and uqhamane etyentyana lakomehlo but ke abaninzi mamazi ke Mero Babies esitratweni. Namhlanje ke guys, I've got a special guest of mine who goes by the name of Sim G. I don't know if I'm gonna say it correctly, but then it has got some T and R and H somewhere somehow. But then it's Sim G, and I would like to give him the chance to tell us more about himself. Who is Sim G? Where did he grow up? Hey, ngabe gama lakhe Sim G okanye kwenzakalani?
Okay, nguSim G lona, Sim G TRH, phuma eCofimvaba. Yeah, iGolf Boy. Yeah, Sim G TRH igama suba igama lami nguSimbulele Gumada. So, yathatha uS Sim, yathatha uG wami Gumada, so ngadibanisa Sim G TRH way engikhule ngayo soloku ngiphusha hustle. So the real hustler, indlela engiphila ngayo isithala yonke indlela hustle ngayo ukuze ngifumane imali. Slow song isibetha loweni isijimbo sami. So yathatha la TRH Sim G TRH. Dango.
Okay, so sathi sayifumana le ndaba ka TRH bisuze lapha. Sim G the real hustler.
Sim G the real hustler.
I nisivele ke nani bawuthi nguSim G the real hustler all the way from eCofimvaba, but then uyasiqhatha yazi ekhona indawo ngasixelelanga yona. Okay, the real hustler from eCofimvaba. Akasixelela ngohlala ndawoni. I mean, wenza ntoni ngoku as he pursuing anything on the side besides music, les abanye bethu bamazi ngayo. So tell us more, brother, man. What's going on? Who gave you el gama like, okay, so ichaze basho TRH usukaphi, but then wachaza yonke neba hayi no Sim G uthatha Simbulele, yeah. Simbulele Gumada. So kasixelele mfana nibokesho namhlanje into le ngayo. Are there upcoming projects that you're looking at? Are there any features that you are working on?
For now, bengisakhuphe i-project yami called Golf Boy, streamer audio Mac, available audio Mac right now. For ngoku i-features bengekazijonge bengekasebenzi kuzo, benzafuna usebenza kwi-singles zami, khona eziyi-track engisafuna usikhupha kwi-singles zami, yeah. Sim yena uhlala lapha eCofu, ngwalapha eCofu, ntwalisoloko lapha eJoslove, zalelwa lapha eJoslove, yeah.
Okay, sevenzelelwa niyaseJoslove iDakukwa's features zazijongeleyo kulo mzuzu. Okay, ayilotyala into yoba umntu nazi features zazijongeleyo, ingelotyala ke nento yobana ngaba umntu abe ne-project asele ikhophile uyatsho ke basho i-project yakhe yafumaneka ku-Audio Mac. If ever bakhona abantu bayikhangelayo, but then I think kuzawunyanzeleka ishile link yakhe so that we can post it onto our socials asifumane sibakhe sure ngaba i-project yakhe ihamba kanjani. So kule project yakho mnganam bakhona abantu osebenze nabo okanye it was just a solo project?
Yeah, bakhona abantu engisebenze nabo. Sisebenze no Lati Walker, no Days, no Tempting G, yeah. I-features zami ezipha kula project. Yeah.
So le project inengoma ezingaphi?
Inengoma ezi-8. 8 project, yeah.
8 songs.
Yeah.
Okay, no, at least 8 songs. At least 8 songs.
Yeah,
8 songs is something.
Yeah.
So like, yeah, igama le-EP Little
called Golf Boy.
Golf Boy.
Yeah.
No.
You can say nice. Golf Boy or Golf Boy.
Yeah, something nice. Okay. Njengarapper nayiphina ke mna ke ndinglamntu ke mna ukukholwa ngobona abantwana sibathi Thomas, they call me Thomas because I best believe noko if ever could say hit us with a young hot 8 nyana just to throw in some bars, just 8 bars. 8 bars. freestyle nje kunganami, you know, just a mini freestyle, you know, for the listeners at home.
You see. Yo, I never thought I'd be a rapper. I went to school in the Funobangkir, but uThixo undinike igift mina ndinyanga abantu ngalumculo. Ewe ndiyasaba ukuphila le mpilo, but inayidinga kaloku uyakwazi ukubiza iphepha lonto soloko ndiphusha amaphupha. Ewe ne analo nevura but ndiyaqhuba. Bona phambili kuba ziyashuba. Boniswa kakhulu bathi mandiyeke intsango ndichaya kakhulu. Ewe ngiyazazi kuba ngifunani, mase ngipopular bazondibuza kuba ndingubani. Abazundithanda bonke ngeyomali. Ninani nam nihlaleni nam ningandilibali. Anzonikezela ngizobekezela ndifuna niyazi lelena ndizayimele. Lami ithemba lindipha amandla. Suze ndilahle ndilibambe ngesandla njengomuzi nizolwela ulwandle. Wonke uline uyavaya phaphandle. Ixofa imvaba yona ngizayidumisa. Ama-ops afuna ungiwisa emthi bafakele bayawisha. Lena i-out ephume emakasi ndakugcwalisa kuba gcwalanga. Hayi ngozibasela ndakulumkisa mnika mne big dog ndiyaluma.
Utsho he's the big dog uyaluma. Yes. I know. I've got something for you. You've got something burning within you.
Yeah.
You got something burning within you. Yeah. Because you said that now you're not looking at any features at the moment. Well, we can go through Audio Mac. So what made you love music? What made you love hip-hop?
Because hip-hop, like, even motivations, artists even listen mamela. Because in the messages, and even philisa mna ezindlela engikhule ngayo. Into ezine-piano, ne-vibes, like, bendizithanda, but then ayeka ndiziyeka. Sengithanda i-hip-hop.
So
basically
you grew up with hip-hop.
Yes.
Then within your journey in the music industry, you came up with the likes of Amapiano, Scoop, and all that.
Yes.
But then have you ever tried working with someone who's doing piano or Scoop?
Nah, I never tried it.
Okay, so you're one of those people that prefer to stick onto one thing. If it's hip-hop, then it's going to be strictly hip-hop.
Yeah, I stick on hip-hop only.
Okay. So when did you start making music? Which year did you start making music?
Started making music in 2019.
2019.
Yes. I was inspired abantu baseskela. Since ngiqalifika kwisikole kuthiwa isikhoba nombewu.
Yeah.
Ndafika uTha Kevin.
Yeah.
Bebetha.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Kevin is a.
Yeah, Kevin
Yeah,
is
yeah.
Inspired ndabona pha izinye izinto but ndandingekaqali but uqala kwami ke ukuze ndibone ukuba ndibethe kakuhle umculo wami. Qala ngo-2019. Abe ndizibethela ngefowuni, recorda ngefowuni Voloco, N-Track, BandLab, zonke ezi recording audios. Yeah.
There's telephonic ones, you know, it's telephonic.
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah. Now let's move on to your relationships.
Yeah.
Roma has a buffer so shuman of an you know, even the road. Hi, some joy. Hi, I go as low mental, well, love mental. Hi. Shumanas, no joke, me compare. Of Manjan for name.
Yeah, same single that we. No cap. No cap.
Akona wano ukuqomba nokukhuluka ngakuzijule nje ukuthi
khona izo hoes nje for bitches but not the serious relationship, no. Friend zone.
So basically when you play you're here to play with abantwana bethu. Hayi caca uzodlala abantwana bethu.
No play.
We play because
nakuniswana.
How? So basically when udlala la role ka male based. Male based.
Yeah, ndiyamfuna umuntu o serious nami uzobe serious in future, but for now so focus ku music in future. Yeah,
you're still doing music.
Yeah.
You're chasing money before you chase the skirts.
Yes.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, you know, like
appreciate
people would rather hustle more than to get, you know, people that are gonna be in their lives. But then I do advise that people get into relationships. Like this thing of being single, he stress.
It's stress.
He stress because you're gonna find that people are trying to have conversations about my relationships. Unofika uthule
Yeah.
afuneka uvakale nawe ucace uba now yeah, you're one of the people that I live with, you know.
No, and there is plans that's funny, the way we character identity each.
Yeah. Ingarikana ukwaziqhaza bonke. Ingarikana ukwaziqhaza. Ingarikana ukwaziqhaza fanele nami. Ufuna umxelela ukhethe into encephelete necephelendala. Ilula la
Fanta
wena.
de cook.
That's the best line. Mina ngisasenza yona kunangoku.
Yeah. Isasebenza so exist.
Isasebenza la line.
Isasebenza.
La line leya isasebenza. It's one of the lines endizithembileyo but this line.
Youth old school.
Hayibo.
That's the old school.
Yeah, that's, I think it works for me. Yeah, mna iyansebenzela mna ndoda. Mna iyansebenzela nje.
Okay.
Yeah, naye siyayazi ke nina ke neze rappers ninazo into ne-beef or something like that. Yeah. So akabekho umuntu uzamqwempa uqamba lo yena.
No.
Lo yena ndove ndombhalele distrack nje just a simple distrack. Disnyana nje.
And I can't waste my time and student time for that. Yeah.
So basically you don't fear anyone in the industry.
It doesn't mean like that, man.
So there is someone that you fear in the industry.
So wonke umculo mna ndiyamrespect.
You respect or you fear them?
Feel them, respect them.
You fear, not feel. You fear. Uyamoyika na. Ukomntu umoyika apha kwi-industry uqomba suka lo yena. Hayi asondlalele pho hayi. Angancima uzibone ngumeni. Hayi.
I'm not scared anyone.
Asazi ke ndoda. So like of all the producers that you've worked with,
Yeah.
how many have you worked with though? How many producers have you worked with thus far?
Slow PG, DSD, Days, Daeva. Yeah, I think it's only them four.
Oh, so it's Mr. Eva, TLR Dez, if I'm not mistaken.
TR Des, yeah.
Yeah, Dez. Then there is SD Damas. Yeah. Omnye put about dangerous, but a picture from yo. Those are super talented.
Yes,
people.
those shout out to just DSD.
Yeah, yo.
Yes.
SD Damas is one of the greatest people. One of the greatest people that we've worked with thus far. So yeah, you say you don't fear anyone in the industry. How? I want to know cool. Anabangesabi lutho nje kwi-industry. So how has the industry been treating you, man? Like, have you been gigging, or you just one of those people that are just recording, then you just drop without doing any other gigs on the side?
Yeah, I'm just hustling. I'm still grinding, man. Yes.
You're still grinding.
Yeah. So gigs, but this is when this funayo.
Yeah.
This is when this funayo. But we still not record and cope, sa record. It's a push. Yeah.
How many singles do you have in total?
Yeah, it's a lot. Singles.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. No.
How many projects do you have?
I have 2 projects.
2.
Yeah.
So it's Cowboy and
53 each.
53 each.
Yes. 53 each.
When it comes to the titles, what inspires you to just give the title?
Represent High Town Yam. It is my hometown, and yenzela nobani owalapha icofa imvaba ozobe ebona ke ikhava okanye title yam like ikwazi attract like tsaleke benomdla into ezoba attractive nabasebantwini balapha eGasi. Okay. Yeah.
I feel you. Nale language okay ninaza rappers need to tell your homie.
Yo.
Nah, I feel you firm. Aye. As long as needed not a language, because I just beat it. As Kaldobo Dagoto.
Mdakweti, yeah.
And I want to win and no kumshaka call and no kumshaka call. So like okay, sure now let's go to these what do you call this? International artists.
International, yeah.
Who is your main motivator?
I would say Kendrick Lamar.
One of those the people that inspire you.
Yeah.
Roma has a 30 once did drill.
When?
You once did drill with someone.
Yeah.
Who's that particular artist that you did a drill track with?
Yo, that's a tough question, man.
No question is tough, my guy. No question can be tough. Because you see that now we're discussing you, isn't it? We're discussing you in the industry. You in the industry, your works in the industry. You know.
Yeah, all over the world,
Around Kov, who's that artist that you've worked with that you say that you see this artist, he did something, he showed me. Actually, he paved something in me. He engraved a piece.
Yeah. I'll see. Oh my thugs, yeah. But I feel everybody in Sibenza naye. But Tia Des.
Yeah. So Des is the artist that you worked with?
Yes.
To do some drill?
Yes.
Okay, so... what of that song that you made with Proti? Is it
Step on Demons?
Yeah.
Step on Demons.
Step on Demons. Yeah. That's the track that I was looking for. But then I'd forgotten the track ID.
I was forgetting.
The track ID.
It's a lot.
That song is dope, man.
Yeah.
I don't know, not lie.
Change, man.
It's one of the greatest songs that I've heard.
Yeah, change, man.
If you still remember any of the lines from the year, you can just hear us, just 2 or 3 lines from the song, Stepping on Demons. So that the people can be able to identify the way that you can be versatile in your music. In your music, I don't want to say theory, but then within your music works, within your body works. So that the people can be able to say that he can drive from being a straight rapper who uses Vinag into drill and also other hip hop other hip hop genres, because hip hop is quite a lot.
Yes. So
you don't remember any line from the song?
Okay, let's try.
This is what usually happens with people who don't write their own songs.
Yeah, I write my own songs, man, but it's a freestyle sometimes.
So you just freestyle.
So okay.
Now your chest is gonna burning.
So okay, can I go like?
Yeah.
It goes like, they ain't listen to me. When I say life is about falling, living is about getting back up. When the life is hard, don't abdicate if you
Now we got you. We got you. We got you. We got you. Hey.
yeah
Yeah.
Whole
ne?
song, man. Yeah.
I thought the show you picked up the song from somewhere. Probably you just decided to buy a few lyrics from Dave, Central C, and Storm Z. You know these people that do drill. I don't know. So what inspired you to do drill back then in the
It
day?
inspired me because when you very tone down, like, and from the test I'm not like, hey, I can't do this shit. You know, I was trying that shit, but that's feeling I in the NZ. And I've been debating.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So you were like, yes, then let me try this shit. It's more what is this big guy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, truth be told, nah. No beats, no nothing.
Yeah.
But then like with the drill, I think you need to go back to drill. I best believe that you could do something with the drill,
Something bad.
something big.
Yeah.
I think you can blow up with drill more than this other path. You know,
Yeah, man.
if ever you were to be given an opportunity to change from hip hop, which genre do you think you would take besides hip hop?
Besides hip hop,
Yeah.
which is damn, I don't know. I don't know.
I can genre kodwa no genre ndiyithi nje.
Anoyeka hip hop ngosike ndiyeke umculo qala.
Ah? But hip hop or nothing.
Yeah.
So you're basically one of those people that say, hey, if it's not hip hop, then I'm
Fusak.
Fuck that shit.
Yes.
Fuck that shit. You're a firm believer that it's hip hop or nothing.
I believe in hip hop, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I get you. I get you. So tell us more about your academics. Where did you school? How you started your schooling? You know, your schooling days.
Your schooling days.
Just a brief info.
Yes, man. Qala kwami uHit Skela, qala e-village.
Yeah.
So better village ndaphuma 2017 ndayinombewu 2018 ndawenza grade 1.
Yeah.
Inombewu better grade 8 wami ndaphuma inombewu 2019 ndayi-St James. So i-St James ndafika grade 10. Grade 10 ndafika ndijonga umfocus emculweni, ndithanda umculo kakhulu nobetha i-cypher. Ibhadi ndadusta grade 10. Damn, I feel like it's as when I up about
that was quite a lesson for you. It must have been a lesson for you that hey.
Yes, man.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Then you did your grade 10,
I did my grade
over
10.
high school.
Yes.
After high school, what happened after high school?
After high school, Fumene passile, yes, yeah, B bachelor. Thanks. Grade 12. Yeah, man. Yaphuma grade. So ke befuna ujonga into yesikela kanje but kwazange sifumana. So naqhubeka nomculo wami. Yeah.
So
Yes.
so after your high school, you were like, hey, whilst you're looking for school,
Yeah, I
you'd
was
rather
looking for
do
school.
some music.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's something great, man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
something great. You know, like, I would encourage you to not stop looking for school. You know,
Yeah, man.
every opportunity that comes your way, you should just shoot at it. Especially when it comes to academics and all that.
Yeah.
You know, you should just shoot at it. Don't have that thing of
Yeah.
but then whilst you're looking for school, you should also look for some odd jobs on the side. You know?
Yeah.
what do you call them, bistro because a lot of people don't believe that these odd jobs can actually pave your way to success,
Yeah.
because there are some people that after school they're like, yes, then I wanna go to school, I wanna do this, I wanna do this, I wanna do this, but then things never got to work out that way.
Yeah, never. Yeah, with your expectations.
Yeah. Well, hey guys, with that being said, oh yeah, where can people get you for more works? Like when someone wants to work with you, where can they get a hold of you?
Okay. Search me, SimGTRH, on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, only SimGTRH. Yeah.
No, SimG.
Yeah.
So it's SimG, which is SIMGEE
TRH.
Okay, so you don't have any other contact whereby they can, if they are not able to get a hold of you via
Yeah.
these socials.
Okay. 063
063
511
511
7907.
7907.
Yes.
Anzo ke nombolo yakhe uthi ngu-063 511 7907. Ifeva umfumane ke lapho hayi wobe kule bhadi lakho ke because ichazile inamba yakhe,
Ndiyafumaneka.
asichazele uba ko-Facebook ukubani kwii-socials zakhe uyafumaneka as uSimG TRH, which is SimG the real hustler.
Yeah.
Sound like
that,
SimG the real hustler. Well, hey guys,
Respect the name.
Yeah guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the channel to the others. Well, yeah, this will be posted or will be shared onto TLR Pictures Extra, and we would like to give thanks to TLR Pictures for, in fact, the whole entire foundation for giving us the equipment to work with, and also for the opportunity to work with SimG. Danko bafowethu.
Thank you.
Ngiyalibala ke bafowethu, nami ke ndikhona ke phaya ke kula makhasi onxibelelwano nami ndiyafumaneka phaya. A lot of people can go and search for Qhamani, Ignatius Mehlo. Thank you.